Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to tell you about how to fix your network problem in your IQOO smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to simply open your settings. Then you have to go to system. Here it is, reset options. You have to reset your mobile network settings, and friends you can see network settings has been reset. Now you will be and good to go. And if it is not working, your network is not coming or crashes sometimes, you have to simply press back, go to the apps. Here it is, click on apps, click on see all apps. Here it is the search bar. Then you have to search here Android system web view. Simply clear the cache, press back, click on search, and here you have to write Google Play services. Then you have to simply clear the cache like this. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.